appeal before whom?
Commissioner of Income Tax Appeals. Just 1 minute, I will also open the document what you given me. Gopinath. G-O-P-I. Yo. Bro, you put a disappear.
Huh?
24 hours disappear your messages.
No, 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 no.
Huh? Sir, okay. You WhatsApp me, re-forward me again.
Okay.
Because document's gone. See, what happened, bro? Either maybe I thought he sold any immobile property.
I have no idea about that.
Yeah. Give me, I'll tell you. Just forward me again that order. See, now what is the issue? What need to be done? First, we need to log in income tax portal. We need to understand the income tax return what he filed during that year, and
We
this
need
order.
login ID. We need login ID for income tax portal, na?
Yes, that login ID means PAN card number only. Login ID is a PAN card number. See, bro, he asked demand 9 crore 93 lakh 44,830. Okay, fine, no problem. Financial year 1920. Okay, that's what. Next, I'll tell you entire story. Little patiently you listen. Now,
Yes.
he passed the order 154 read with 154 read with section 147. See, 154 read with 147 how will come? Initially, he might pass the one order. That order may be 143.3 order or maybe 147 read with 144 BB order. See, 147 read with 144 B means income escaping assessment where assessee is not at all cooperated, he didn't file any response. Then 147 read with 144 B order will come. Huh?
Ex parte order.
Ex parte order. See, in the tax party order or in case assessee cooperated, then he will pass 147 order. Okay, that order mistake apparent from the records. So that was a prejudicial to the interest of the revenue. When passing the order, he have any mistakes over there. To rectify that mistakes, the department will pass 154 order. So now this is the rectification order against the original order passed by them. That rectification order showing assessed income is 6 crore 3 lakh 56,570. Okay. And that is the assessed income. On that, uh, he computed net tax liability is 4 crore 70 lakh 78,125. Net tax liability. How it's come? We'll see. And then 234A interest 1%. 2 crore 16 lakh 56,926. How it come that much? I don't understand. 234A for 53 months, 1% per month for after 2 lakh 40 months. So short levy of interest 234A 32 lakh 96. See what he is telling. He computed initially 1% 234 interest for 46 months. He computed. Then he is telling that 2 crore 16K. Then thereafter he has seen that 53 months is there. That's why he recomputed the interest 2 crore 49 lakh 51,406. So the additional interest 32 lakh 95,480 rectification order was passed. Now we need to understand what is the original order. In that original order, what he said. Now actually assessed income this much means how become tax liability 470 might be he considered as a 115 BBE is there. Section 115 BBE speaks about undisclosed money, money, bullion, valuable jewelry, articles or things whatever the phone during the course of such assessment or maybe information, concrete information available with them. Tax liability is 60% tax payable. Penalty is tax 60% of the tax payable. Surcharge and cess around 77.77% will be there. So these are all the information. Now, what is the reason behind to arriving these figures? We need to log into income tax portal. We need to see 26AS. We need to see AAS. We need to see income tax return. After these three read out, got into the full information, then it is a capital gain, or some information some information he didn't disclose in income tax return. That's why all this happened. We need to understand that. We need to defend the client. We need to draft. What we need to do immediately, within the 30 days, I need to file appeal before the Commissioner of Income Tax appeal according to section 246A. After I file appeal, immediately penalty proceedings will start. For underreporting 270A is 50%, 271 111AC is a misreporting, 200% penalty proceedings will start. If you are not responding to anything, bank account will be freeze. These are the consequences. Now immediately I need to file an appeal, and thereafter I need to see any penalty proceedings are already started. If not start, I will ask them to stay kept abeyance. Letter will file with the jurisdiction listing officer, and I will file staff demand, penalty kept abeyance. These two along with the judicial licensing officer, and immediately I need to file an appeal. Appeal fees is 1000. These are the consequences. If I am not done anything, so goes to bank account freeze. This is what Gopi. Yeah, pakka.
The order has been passed.
Bro, I thought almost this is already 25th 11 2025.
December.
Yeah, December. Now we are already in January, February 15. So 30 days is gone. Now I'll file appeal. In that appeal also, chance is there. If it is so much delay, he has to need to mention reasons for ground donation of delay. Letter we need to submit. Any medical reason or something. If all these things is kept silent, bank account will be closed, and then they will start recovery proceedings 226. Then your whatever asset or something, whatever in your name, they will start recovery proceedings. Then you need to go court. Once the recovery proceedings start, you need to approach the High Court. Stop the recovery proceedings. I'll cooperate. I will assess. I appointed a chartered accountant or advocate. Is working on that. Will discharge the liability, or will going to the proceedings to the department to appeals. Like that, he has to start the drama or whatever you want to start. Start has to start. So this is what. See, that's what, bro. Now usually this kind of cases brings to anyone anybody brought to us, we are charging around 50K for to handle entire case before the CAT appeal. But you bring to us, you decide, even at least if you give 25K only, we can file an appeal.
Okay.
Otherwise it's not worth it to spend that much time on this, because we need to these all we need to do all these examine. So it took around 2 days 3 days.
Exactly.
2 days 3 days, not just like that. Effective quality hours needed. And that too, this matter, don't go to a normal advocate. They cannot understand fully. They will misguide you. They will unnecessarily go to High Court, all this stuff. You will be end up with losing money only. You will not get justice. Either you go to chartered accountant.
I know only you said me that you will give you many high court cases regarding other stuff, but you have not given anything, no problem. But I know that our brother, Sreemannarayana sir,
Yeah, Gopi, I'll give you Gopi. Where are you? You are there now only come, no?
I came to Chennai.
Uh,
It is not going well and good. It is a tax case. I know my brother will do good.
Definitely, Gopi, we will work together. Gopi, we will work together. See, even Madras High Court, I have a 5 writ petitions filed, and within 2 3 days, I'm going to file one more writ petition. We'll work together. See, wherever you worked, definitely I'll pay back to you. Okay? Definitely I'll pay you. This is what, Gopi. You tell me, Gopi, now. And do you know, Gopi, where is my office? You know, your boss office only my office at Manapakam. I am paying something to him, and then I am using his office perfectly.
Okay, that's super, super, super.
That's what.
But don't this is our case. No need to reveal to anyone like to my.
Ayyo, reveal also what I don't reveal, but he don't know anything, no tax. See.
No, nothing. See, it should not be known by him. Like, see, we have not met him through him.
Leave it.
Met him with the grace of God.
See, Gopi, I filed 5 writ petitions before Madras High Court without touching your boss. because I know with your boss, he knows criminal laws. That's why I'm giving criminal law case to him only. No, see, last time one L&T brought one case to me. That case I given to him. We charged 50K. Your boss taken 30K. He given me 20K. But without approaching the court, we settled out of the court this matter. Me and your boss. I majorly involved into drafting and then discussing with L&T people. So we closed this issue. And thereafter, I told him openly, sir, I filed before the Madras High Court few cases, but this is not worthy case to give you because they are paying very less amount, sir. For example, if I brought two case to you, at least 1 lakh should be there. That's why I didn't brought to you. Future I'll brought to you. Like that, I spoke to him. And if Gopi is my friend, I'll give you many cases. See, and thereafter, 2, 3 money recovery shoots came. I given to Prabhu. Prabhu is he is also same on Gangapra Street. If you go last, no, you will be there, Prabhu. I given to him 4 to 5 cases, even one including GST case, because at the time I'm busy with my CA examination, I given to him only. If I know Gopi is there, I'll give to Gopi only. Gopi is my near to heart, because Gopi is near to heart me rather than other people. Understand? And one more thing, let me tell you. Even Manivel sir, you know, 15 money recovery shoot case I given to him. Not one. How many? 15. 1 5. But initially, I done serving legal notice to that 15 clients. But it is difficult for me that civil cases and all I don't want. That's why I don't want GST cases. I can do criminal cases. Yeah. That's what Gopi. Gopi. That's what Gopi. Hereafter, I will give you Gopi that 15 cases. How Manivel Charles will follow this case? He is not expert in cases. He don't know the sort of cases. No, I don't understand. The Manivel sir is not experienced in cases and other things. How he can manage the case? Ayyo. See, Gopi, I am sitting always here now. Okay, if you will give him now, he will feel happy. No. I'm not telling no. See, brother, I'm not telling I think it is your decision. I don't know, Gopi. See. Okay. So okay, I don't see Gopi. I don't know all these. I given him. He said I'm handling. Let them. Okay. Okay, what to do, Gopi? Because I'm not many people knows. I know few people. That's why I'm giving to them. That's it. See. Hmm. Ah. Ah. Okay. Okay. He is telling he is expert in diverse cases. Sir, okay. Whatever happened hereafter. We'll work together. Because no. I am sitting here. No. What I'm doing you? I'm paying to your boss, right? But I'm not. Ah. No. 1 minute. Because this office I'm using no perfectly. I'm paying to Manuel something. But sorry, I'm paying to your boss, Mutarsu. Okay, but Manuel and his uncle, everybody here, no, we are not doing any favor to them. No, that's why I'm giving to Manuel few cases. Now he will feel happy. No, I'm sitting morning to evening here only. That's why. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. 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 Ayyo, bro, money recovery and all easy case only, bro. What complex is there? Nothing. Money recovery should, bro. I that simple case, bro. He will do, bro. No, bro. See, yo, see that simple case, bro. Money recovery shoots. What is there? Already we served legal notice and everything is there. Just going and asking present bills and asking money only. No issue. Hereafter we'll work together. I'm saying my house in Manapakam, Indranagar first line only. But I am using perfectly your boss office morning 6 to night to 10 all time. But that's why I'm paying also. I don't want to. I'm paying. And yeah, yeah, Amma. If goes to them, they will see. I know also your boss also. Your boss will take money first. Thereafter, working will be time taking. Whoa. Ah, yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. That's why we will work together. We will work together. No problem. Hmm? Okay, Gopi. How are you? Where are you? See, Gopi. Gopi, I told you, all the facts about the income tax case. Okay, you take whatever you want money. Whatever you give also I'll do. If you want, I'll do free of cost also because of Gopi. No, no, no. Ayyo. See, hmm. Gopi. Uh, see, Gopi. Gopi. Uh, hmm. See, that's why, see, I will also Gopi. Now I have around 50 to 60 files. What I'm handling right now is there. I'll just send you. You will understand how much I'm depth, how much I'm handling, how many files I have. Then you can also believe me. So I'm not asking just because of friends. You also, I'll give you. I'll share you. What, bro? Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah. And see, not only that, now just 1 minute in WhatsApp, I will share you how many files we filed during around 1.5 year. In L&T, I filed a number of leave it. After came from L&T, started own practice. How many files, appeals we filed? I'll just WhatsApp within 5 minutes. Then you will understand how Sreeman is handling, what cases Sreeman. Hmm. Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, no, no. Just and then you can also check in Madras High Court website. Put my name Sreemannarayana Mallela. You will get how many list of cases we handled tax matters. You will get it. Even if you search in API code also you will get it. Uh, Definitely hereafter. Sure. Surely, bro. You also, bro. I'm also asking you kindly use my name because I want to get experience into other matters. I don't want to real. I just for wakalat name sake to tell someone. I don't want to. Huh? Just to add my name in tax matters. I will also add your name. Hmm. Okay, bro. You understood the entire picture. Hmm. And then I will WhatsApp you as of now what I handled. You will understand. And hereafter, do you know one ED case came, which from the Delhi. We are on the way planning. We both will handle. Definitely. Super, super. We'll handle. Work together. We'll work together. Yeah. Super, super, bro. We'll work together. Yes, bro. Yes, bro. Mm. We'll work together, bro. Yeah, yeah. With that PMLA case only. As of now, first round of discussion happened. That case brought by Chartered Accountant. If it is next come, we'll work together. Okay. Huh? Okay, bro. Okay.
మొత్తం తెలుసుకోలేదు. కాకపోతే ఎన్నేళ్ళు కాపురం చేసినా నా మనసు ఏమిటో తెలుసుకోలేకపోలేదు. మీ మనసు తెలియదు కాదు. మీ అన్నయ్య మనల్ని కాదనుకున్నట్టు తప్ప మనం ఎప్పుడు ఆయన కాదనుకోలేదు. ఆ రాక్షస అంటే నాకు ఏమో దయా జాలి ప్రేమ ఏమిటి ఉన్నాయని ఎక్కడికి రావాలన్నా నీ కాళ్ళు పట్టుకుని క్షమాపణ పోవాలన్నా ఒక్కటే మార్గం. నీకు రావాల్సిన ఆస్తి మీద ఒక దావా వేసేయండి. చెప్పకు దానికి వస్తాడు. మాకన్న దావాకి లేదు. ఈ దావా తరహా మరి ఇప్పుడే వస్తాను. చదువుతో ఆంధ్రగా మైకి ప్రారంభించారు. ఏం జరిగింది? అసలు వాడు ఎవరన్నాయా? అదే పలుకుతాడు వారి వెనుక ఉంటాడు కాబట్టి కనిపించే 3 సింహాల వెనుక కనిపించే 4వ సింహాన్ని ఎందుకు కావచ్చా? ఒక రోజుకి 3 సింహాలు చూస్తుంటా. నీ దేవత దొరికే వరకు నువ్వు ఇక్కడే ఉండాలి. ఆవిడ దొరికిన తర్వాత నేను గిట్టుబాటు చేసి వేరే మీకు ఇల్లు చూసి ఈ కాల్స్ ఏర్పాటు చేస్తాను. సార్, నీకు పెళ్ళి ఎన్నాళ్ళైంది? సార్, చెక్ చేసుకో. కబుర్లు ఉంది. చెప్పడం మర్చిపోయా. నాకు ఉదయాన్నే హైదరాబాద్ ప్రయాణం ఉంది. వచ్చే వరకు షాప్ చూసుకోవాలి. అలాగే సార్. నీకేదైనా సందేహం వస్తే ఎవరు గుడ్ నైట్ సార్. దైవజనమా, ఇక్కడ దేవుని మనస్సు మనం అర్థం చేసుకునేది ఏంటంటే, ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారు ఎన్నో భక్తి కలిగిన వాళ్ళకి శ్రమలు వస్తాయి. భక్తి కలిగిన వాళ్ళ జీవితాల్లోనే దేవుడు తన చిత్తానుసారంగా శ్రమలు అనుభవిస్తాడు. ఎందుకు అట్లా అనుభవిస్తాడు? విచిత్రం. ఒక రోజు ఓ పాస్టర్ గారు ఒక ఊరు మీదుగా వెళ్తున్నాడట. ఆ ఊర్లో అంతా కుటుంబ బ్యాచి, ప్యాకాట బ్యాచి, ఆ ఊర్లో అంతా తాగుబోతు బ్యాచి, ఆ ఊర్లో అంతా కోడి పందాలు బ్యాచి, గంజాయి బ్యాచి, అక్రమ సంబంధాల్లో బ్రతికే బ్యాచి. ఆ ఊరు చూసి పాస్టర్ గారు అన్నారట, దేవా, ఈ ఊరి మీద సమృద్ధి అయిన వర్షం కురిపించిన ఆయన, పంటలు తెగబడ్డాలా, వ్యవసాయం అద్భుతంగా జరగాల, ఈ ఊరిలోని సుఖంగా బ్రతకాల, ఈ ఊరు నిలబెట్టి ఇంకో ఊరు వెళ్ళకూడదని ఆయన. వెళ్ళకూడదంటే one book that you recommend to recognizing for this
importance of time. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Once time is gone, it never comes back. Every moment is precious, and how we use our time decides our success or failure. Time teaches us discipline and responsibility. Using time wisely helps us achieve our goals. Students who manage their time well perform better in studies. Workers who respect time become successful and trusted. Proper time management reduces stress and increases productivity. Wasting time leads to regret. When we delay important work, we lose opportunities. Time waits for no one, so we must act at the right moment. Small efforts made on time can bring great results. The importance of time should be understood by everyone. Planning our day and setting priorities help us use time better. If we value time, time will reward us. Time is life, and using it wisely makes life meaningful. Importance of time. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Once time is gone, it never comes back. How we use our time decides our success or failure. Time teaches us discipline and responsibility. Using time wisely helps us achieve our goals. Students who manage their time well perform better in studies. Workers who respect time become reduces stress and increases productivity. Wasting time leads to regret. When we delay important work, we lose opportunities. Time waits for no one, so we must act at the right moment. Small efforts made on time can bring great results. The importance of time should be understood by everyone. Planning our day and setting priorities help us use time better. If we value time, time will reward us. Time is life, and using it wisely makes life meaningful. Importance of time. Time is one of the most valuable things in life. Once time is gone, it never comes back. Every moment is precious, and how we use our time decides our success or failure. Time teaches us discipline and responsibility. Using time wisely helps us achieve our goals. Students who manage their time well perform better in studies. Workers who respect time become successful and trusted. Proper time management reduces stress and increases productivity. Wasting time leads to regret. When we delay important work, we lose opportunities. Time waits for no one, so we must act at the right moment. Small efforts made time should be understood by everyone. Planning our day and setting priorities help us use time better. If we value time, time will reward us. Time is life, and using it wisely makes life meaningful.
Important for this not to be a bubble. By definition, it requires that the benefits of this are much more evenly spread. I mean, I think a telltale sign. కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం మరో రౌండ్ బ్యాంక్స్ మెర్జర్ డాక్టర్ భీమ్
మా ఉద్యోగి దోషిగా బయటకు వస్తుందంటారా? డెఫినెట్ గా వస్తుంది సార్. అసలు నేరస్తులు చూసిన వాడు సాక్ష్యం చెప్తా అన్నాడు కాబట్టి శిక్ష పడుతుందనే డౌటే అక్కర్లేదు.
ప్రతి కుక్కకి ఒక రోజు వస్తుంది. అసలు ఇది ఎట్లా వచ్చిందో చెప్పంటారా? అక్కడ ఒక మటన్ షాప్ ఆయన ఉన్నాడు, మన సాహిబ్ గారు పెద్ద ఆయన మటన్ దుకాణం ఆయన ఉన్నాడు. ఆ మటన్ exist. I am a member of parliament. But I will have one police constable as my security person. He would be a public servant for the purpose of section 5. I will not be a public servant. Why? As per the argument of the accused. Because in A.R. Anthule case, the Supreme Court has said that member of legislative assembly is not a public servant. But that was in a fact-specific situation. But what happened was, Mr. Anthule was a chief minister when the offence was registered. So he was a public servant. Thereafter, he had to tender his resignation, and therefore he ceased to be a chief minister, but continued to be a member of legislative assembly. When the charges where cognizance was being taken, he raised an issue that this is a offence under Prevention of Corruption Act 1947, which did not have the definition of public servant, and therefore No cognizance can be taken against me unless you have a sanction. I am a member of parliament. Lord, I will have, my lord, one police constable as my security person. He would be a public servant for the purpose of, my lord, section 5. I will not be a public servant. Why? As per, my lord, the argument of the accused. Because in A.R. Antule case, the Supreme Court has said that member of Legislative Assembly is not a public servant. But that was in a fact-specific situation. But what happened was, Mr. Antule was a chief minister when the offence was registered. So he was a public servant. Thereafter, he had to tender his resignation, and therefore he ceased to be a chief minister, but continued to be a member of Legislative Assembly. ఎవరైనా ఇండియన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు ఈ రైల్ కంపల్సరీగా చూడండి. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే
ఎందుకంత టెన్షన్?
ఎవరైనా ఇండియన్ ప్రొడక్ట్స్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ చేద్దాం అనుకున్న వాళ్ళు ఈ రైల్ కంపల్సరీగా చూడండి. మీరు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎనీ ఆడిటర్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి డైరెక్టర్ జనరల్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ ట్రేడ్ అని ఉంటుంది డీజీఎఫ్ని, వాడి దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ ఎక్స్పోర్ట్ తాలూకు కోడ్ ఒకటి తీసుకోవాలి. ఐ థింక్ ఆడిటర్ విల్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ 1 day. మీ కేవైసీలు అన్ని సబ్మిట్ చేస్తే గివ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ 1 day. Second is you need to get into Alibaba or Dubai Trade Directories. Dubai Trade Directories ఇది ఒకటి. లేదు అంటే ఇండియన్ కన్సలేట్స్ కి మెయిల్ రాయాలి. వాళ్ళ దగ్గర డేటాబేస్ ఉంటుంది. మీ మెయిల్స్ ఆ డేటాబేస్ ని మీకు వాళ్ళు పంపించాలంటే ఆ మెయిల్
ఎందుకంత టెన్షన్ ఫీల్ అవుతారు? మీ అమ్మాయితో పెళ్లికి నేను మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఇష్టపడుతున్నాను కదా.
అది కాదు, మీరు ఇష్టపడుతున్నారు సార్. మీ అన్నయ్య వదిలేదు అంత తేలిక ఒప్పుకున్నారా?
ఇంకా డౌట్ ఒక్కలేదు డాడీ. రుద్రయ్య గారు బయట
ఆడు కోటి అన్నా, నీ తమ్ముడు పెళ్లి తిరుపతిలో చేస్తాను ముప్పుడుతున్నావు కదా. అవునన్నా,
నేను మీ తమ్ముడి గారి పెద్ద విషయం
మంచి సంబంధితుడు. ఇదే సార్, మీలాంటి పెద్దవాళ్ళు ఇలా చేస్తే మా బాయి
పెద్దవాళ్ళని అహంకారంతో మిమ్మల్ని అవమానించాను. అది క్షమించండి సార్.
సారా? సార్ మీరు నన్ను సారా ఏమిటి? కూర్చోండి సార్.
వద్దు సార్.
నా మాదిరి మీరు కూర్చోండి. ఇప్పుడు చెప్పండి, ఏ పని మీద వచ్చారు?
మా అమ్మాయిని మీ తమ్ముడికి ఇచ్చి పెళ్లి చేయమని అడగటానికి. పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్కి మరో పోలీస్ ఆఫీసర్ సంబంధం తెరవాలి. రిక్షావాడు మరో రిక్షావంతం ఇవ్వమన్నా. అంతేగాని నాలాంటి స్టేటస్ కావచ్చా?
పిల్లల కోరికలు తెలుసు, పెద్దవాళ్ళుగా మంచి ముహూర్తం చూసుకోండి. నిశ్చితార్థం పెట్టుకోండి.
చాలా థ్యాంక్స్.
అలాగే. మన పేదవాళ్ళ పరువులు నిలబెట్టావా? నువ్వు అనుకోలేదు, సాధించావన్నా. నిజంగా నువ్వు గ్రేటన్నా.
How is the child as a young lord?
Meditate. What? Okay, is not a very good word to you. People don't always like.
Hey, Ramana Chaudhary.
Which area?
Hey, Ramana.
Which area? Still ఇప్పటికీ ఎస్ అవును ఎక్సలెంట్ అద్భుతం